Hey guys, happy Friday. It is May 1st, and we'll start today with checking the assignment from yesterday, which you were just to identify if the sentence uses personification or hyperbole. So number one, Rita heard the last piece of pie calling her name. Well, pie does not have a voice, cannot talk, so that is personification. Okay. Number two, I'm so sad that I'm drowning in tears. That cannot really happen. That would be a whole lot of tears. Exaggeration, hyperbole. Number three, my house is a friend who protects me. Okay, a house is not it's not real, right? It's not a person, it can't be a friend. So that is personification. Okay. And then number four, my hand hurts so much it's going to drop off. Well, that can't happen. That is a hyperbole. Okay. Looking at our work for today, let's start with figurative language. You do have a personification hyperbole assignment, very similar to the practice that we just did. If it decides to load or not, we'll check back in on that in a second. The other thing that I wanted to make sure you guys saw is I have posted the figurative language notes. It's a Google slide, so you can go back through and look at all the definitions for figurative language that we have covered. Okay, the hyperbole personification assignment, you're just deciding, is it personification or is it hyperbole? Choose your answer. Don't forget to hit submit. Okay, and then our number the stars, we are almost done with the book. We just have a couple chapters left. Chapter 16 is today. Again, you have got the choice. You can listen to it. You can read it. No assignment today either, but the assignment on Monday will cover chapters 15, 16, and 17. So make sure you're keeping up with that reading. That's all I've got for today. I hope you guys are doing well. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, and I will talk to you guys Monday. Bye.